Namantsahan para sa kalikasan, kasama mo ang breeze. Kaya sige lang sa mancha. Now with eco-clean technology, tanggal ang matinding mancha. Kinder pa sa environment. New Breeze.
Pinakamasaya, makita ang ngiti niya. Lalo na with Jolly Spaghetti. May meatiest, cheesiest, sweet, sarap sauce. Pinakamasarap para sa pinakamasayang moments namin. Jolly Spaghetti, 50 pesos lang.
You gotta light up with every gift and the little big moments give.
In a few minutes, we will commence the test of the Philippines Alert System PAM. All analog, digital, and cable channels will broadcast the test in the Philippine territory. Because of the NTC Order 00. Number 183-12-2022 or the Philippine Alert System mandate, the following is a test of PAM. Please do not panic. Again, this is just a test. Please stand by. We are interrupting our programming at the request of the National Telecommunication Commission. This is a test for the Philippine Alert System. All normal programming has been discontinued during the test. This is TV5. This network will continue to broadcast this national test until the NTC orders the termination of the test broadcast. This is a coordinated monthly test of the stations throughout the Philippine territory. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as a storm, an official message would have followed the alert tone. The Philippines Alert System, also known as PAM, is a national warning system in the Republic of the Philippines to allow authorized officials to coordinate and disseminate emergency alerts and warning messages to the public via terrestrial and satellite radio and television, including broadcast and multichannel television. The EAS became operational today after being approved by the National Telecommunication Commission (NTC) in January 2022. The system is primarily designed to allow the President of the Philippines to address the country via all radio and television stations in the event of a national emergency. This concludes operations under the Philippines Alert System test. All normal programming operations may now resume.